Hello, ladies and gentlemen, subscribers of my channel. As promised in another one of my videos, today I will be announcing my new game, and I'll be taking a look at what I have for that already, talking a bit about the plans for the future for that game, talking a bit about what it is, how it's supposed to be played, etc., etc. So just real quick, Sneak is a stealth game. Now there aren't really, at least I can't think of that many stealth games out there at the minute, so I believe there's a market for this. Um, Stealth games that I can think of are like Tom Clancy's kind of thing. And the idea of this is to move your character from one end of the level to the other without being caught by the drones. So let's take a look at what we have already. So here I am in the Unreal Engine 4 editor. I've laid out a very quick and simple test track here. And these lights are the drones, essentially. Um, and they move in various ways. So let's actually just give this a quick playthrough to see what we actually have here. So we start in the level, and as you can see that drone there is rotating, and if it sees me, it will kill me, and I'll go back to the start of the level. So what I can do is I can hug this wall and I can crouch down, and it goes right over my head and it can't see me. So if I move along, crouch again, it's not seeing me, and I can stick hug to that wall and I'm past that one. Here we have a similar motion, sweeping motion, however it has a pause, so I have to wait and move and hold myself and wait and move again. And this is the third type, and this is one suspended from the ceiling, so ways of avoiding this would be maybe if I had some kind of dip in the wall, you could run along with it, duck into the dip, or in this case I've opted to build a small shelf to hide underneath. The camera is a little bit broken with this, like as you can see there, but I mean, I've not even begun to scratch the surface of dealing with cameras and things like that. I've basically just been getting these drones and stuff into the game, and getting them to spot the player, etc. so far. So yeah, if you're quick, you can run along. Um, so plans for the future. They're oh shit. Okay, so I plan to initially, once I've finished building all of the necessary assets such as these drones. Once I have all the different types of drones in the game, there are going to be 50 levels initially. The initial price of the game, I'm thinking at the minute, will be around £5. Um, DLC will be £1 and will feature 20 themed packs. So let's say that this is just the default level. Let's call this theme 1. Let's say I release the initial game for £5 and you'll have 50 levels in this theme, so with this kind of floor, these kind of walls, this kind of setting. And then I'll do DLC where you'll get an additional 20 levels, and they may be in the theme of jungle, or in the theme of space, or the Wild West, or whatever, and you've got to sneak past various different things. So instead of it being drones, it could be in the jungle, you could have lions, tigers, that kind of thing. In space, ooh, what could you could have aliens in space, you could have satellites with lasers looking around, So the idea is that basically I get this in place, and then later on there's the possibility for expansion. So a couple of things that I've done in this that I didn't do in my previous game are work with cameras now. So I'm trying to work as best I can with cameras in order to fully optimize the location of the camera during the sneak events. So this is what you're aiming to get to anyway. I'll quickly point this out. This is the elevator at the end of a level, and this will essentially lift you up to the next level. As you can see, their little flap up there opens when we get to the lift. So working with cameras would mean that now when I get into this lift, I actually fade out to this camera and I can see my character there being hoisted up. It fades out to black. At the minute it currently loads the same level, but there'll be a loading screen and it'll actually load the next level there. So that's what I'm aiming to get to, and that shows a little bit of my work with cameras that I've achieved so far. This is just a really quick video. This is what this will eventually turn into is a weekly vlog, just like I did with my previous game. However, with this game, I aim to keep up to date and keep to my promises and get videos out every Sunday, hopefully. So yeah, I hope that this concept has proved interesting. I'd like to see your feedback in the comments, please, on what you think I can improve on. Actually, there's one aspect that I failed to point out, and that is each level you get a single shot with the gun. So if you hold down the right mouse button, you can go into first person mode, and you have a single shot with this rifle here that disables them. So let's say, for example, I'm stuck on a puzzle. Oh god, that camera thing. Let's say I can't get past this one here. Please don't embarrass me by not working. I can freeze that. Of course it didn't. Okay. I'll real quickly just show you it working on this one. I've not got it working on those two swirling ones yet, but it does work on this one. So let's say I'm stuck here. I can't get past this puzzle. I can shoot and freeze it for 4 seconds, giving me enough time to get through. Well, enough time if I was competent. So yeah, a shot each life, it freezes it, stuns it for 4 seconds, and you've got some time to get through. So that's just a quick proof of concept of a game called Sneak that I'm planning to make. Like I was saying, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you are interested in the product and would like to keep up to date on my updates, my weekly releases of changes, please do subscribe, give this video a like, and yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.